the big takeaway on just about few minutes we talk? What is the big takeaway for you?
Obviously, create content for the people and not for yourself. Like, not really, you know, expecting just a lot of comments, likes, saves, shares, all of these sort of things. Like, you know, we want to, you know, the content is out there to pretty much educate and inspire people more than, you know, us receiving the followers and receiving all of these. That obviously, that will come a long time, you know, being consistent and posting, but obviously just realizing that it's not about us and it's about them.
Exactly. Got it. So now I think now you got it. You got it. What I believe is when you got this point, your content will be totally different.
100%.
You're not chasing them and you will work on your business better.
Totally.
Got it? So I think it's really, I feel that you need it. So I think this is really good for you. All